everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the genetics of blood group. The blood groups are inherited from the parents through the genes. The ABO system and Rh factor act as a determinant. Each individual receives one allele from both the parents. While A and B alleles are codominant, that means they express equally, and O is recessive, Rh factor is inherited separately. A and B are the antigens which are present on the surface of the RBCs. The blood group depend upon the antigens. Then comes the blood antigens. What are the blood antigens? Blood antigens are the inherited sugars and protein markers that recognize the immune system to trigger the antibodies. What are the antibodies? Antibodies are the protein that eliminate the foreign substance that enter in our body. Then comes the Rh factor. The individual which have Rh antigen, that is Rh positive. The individual which don't have Rh antigen, they are Rh negative. Like we can take an example. If our father is Rh positive and mother is Rh negative, their first child will be Rh positive, but the second and third child will be dead due to the erythroblastus fortialis. The Rh negative mother will develop antibodies against the Rh positive child. Then we talk about the blood groups. There are so many combinations, there are so many chances, but we will take few examples. If one parent has a blood group A, another has O, the possibility of the blood group of a child will be O and A. If one parent has a blood group A and the other has B, the possibility of blood group of the child A, B, O, A, B. If one parent has a blood group AB and another has an AB, the possibility of the blood group of the child will be A, B, AB. If one parent has a blood group O, the other also O, the child will be O blood group. Then if one parent has blood group AB, the other has O, the possibility of the blood group will be A and B. Then blood group O negative is the universal donor because it lacks the A, B and Rh antigen, which doesn't trigger the antibody formation. And the blood group AB positive called as a universal recipient because they lack antibodies to reject the blood. Thank you.